Want to know how to install Node.js and NPM on Windows? Watch the complete video. Hey, what's up public, it's me Coder Dude, and in this video we are going to install Node.js and NPM for Windows. So to download Node.js and NPM, you have to go to nodejs.org/en/download. I provided the link in description, so you can also redirect from there. After coming to this page, you can see here latest LTS version includes NPM. So go ahead and download LTS version. You can also download the current version from here, but I recommend you to download LTS version. From here you can download for 32-bit or 64-bit. So as per your operating system, go ahead and download. I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I'll download for 64-bit. Wait for some time to download. And after complete download, open your downloads folder. Double click on the node installer. It will open up a set of windows. So select next. Accept the license agreement. You can change the installation folder from here. I'll go with the default destination settings, so I'll click next. You can do a custom setup from here, but it's not recommended if you are beginner, so simply click on next, again next, and finally click on install. Wait for a complete installation. After the successful installation, click on finish. Now to verify if Node and NPM is successfully installed or not, open your command prompt and type node -version. Hit enter. In my PC it is showing version 16.13.1. That means Node is successfully installed in PC. In your case it might be different version, so no need to worry about that. Now to check the NPM version, simply type npm -version. Enter, as it's showing version 8.3.0. So that's it. You have successfully installed Node and NPM in your system. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It motivates me to work hard, and please subscribe to this channel. As you can see, this is a new channel and it needs your support. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, rock on.